Oh! Oh! Holy big fish. I'm gonna buy... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Here are the platies. Got all the platies. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. We're starting off feeding the animals. Today is going to be an epic video. I've actually had this exact idea for a very long time. We did this video breeding guppies in a fish tank and it did very, very well. It's time to do a guppy breeding pond. I want to breed some more little colorful fish, kind of like the old days in my parents' backyard. Roll the clip. The water goes all the way up now and look at all 5 of the babies. They're still down there just hanging out. Just like that, except for we're gonna make a guppy breeding pond today, which is gonna be super cool. First things first though, you already know we gotta feed all these little crazy lunatics out here. This turtle just starts coming up to when I try to feed the ducks now. Gary, chill, chill. Golly, man. I don't want the ducks to trample the turtle, so I'm gonna go to the side and the turtle will run in. There he goes. And all the ducks and our little turtle eat. Kevin! That's Kevin, by the way, if you're new to the channel. Howdy there. Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning Cuffaro, welcome back. I encourage anyone that hasn't hit the subscribe button to go down below and just click that subscribe button real quick. I have been non-stop, and that's kind of why there's been a lack of uploads. Usually I post every other day. The lack of uploads is because I've been working on the new place. You know, we got 2 houses now. This is like the farm, you know, all that stuff. We got the other house that's located more towards the water. We'll be doing a lot more aquarium, water, salts, content really is what we did with that. And on the vlog channel, I posted the first episode and we were just completely destroying the house and renovating it 100%. Anyway, the bathroom's looking a bit destroyed. This is a lot of fun. Good to go. The bathroom looks 10 times bigger.
This guy make this wall. It was not like that.
Knuckle sector. Let's go. So if you guys don't follow the vlog channel, I told you guys weeks ago that that was going to be released soon. Episode 1 is officially live. Look at Boots. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh, God, Boots. Boots. I announced your merch drop. Boots merch sold like crazy. So thank you guys so much for the support on that. Boots says thank you. And I hope you guys enjoy it because that's a super cool design. Boots merch is on the site, by the way. Here we go. Whee! Oh, looks like they broke their ladder, but Oscar, come on, let's go. I gotta go fix that. Time for the goats to eat. Oh, whoa! Waters, doing waters. I was just over there actually feeding the big pigs, and Mango loves that water. Every time I do the waters, which is pretty much every day, especially on hot days like this, Mango and Lady May are just all about mudding. Mango loves his bath. Seth, look at those tusks. Oh my goodness, Mango. But on a nice sunny day, this is like fresh, cold water. Can't beat that. He knows it too. He's like, wow, this feels amazing. What's up, big boy? He's loving life right now. Come here. She likes it too. What's up, you guys? Hey. Look at their waters are always just completely dried out. There we go. Best thing I ever did was run this hose underground to each enclosure. I remember I used to pull a hose around. It would take me 45 minutes to do the waters, and now it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes. I'd say 10 minutes. Work smarter, not harder. See, now the water's pouring out over here instead of over there. You really got a mud already? Let me get it into the mud pit, dang it. All right, all the animals have eaten, correct? Yes. This right here I bought for the cows a while back. Look at that thing. So dope. And I bought it for the hay to go in, and I even ratchet strapped it down and everything. If you remember, you could ratchet strap anything down and this bowl will still, no matter what, destroy it. He was flipping the bales of hay out of this, flipping this around, using this as like it's a toy or something. So, as you can see, there is 2 holes at the bottom. We're gonna have to patch those, so a Home Depot trip is definitely necessary here. But it's actually got some depth to it. It's probably about, I'd say 10 inches deep, maybe a little deeper. I wanna get like plants for this, gravel, a filter obviously, the whole 9 yards. I wanna make this the ultimate guppy breeding tank, pond, aquarium, tub, whatever you want to call this. This is going to be super cool. cool though. So picture this right now, and what you would make it like, hopefully, is what it comes out to be on my end. We're definitely gonna need a net over the top of this, which I thankfully already have. No free promotion, thank you very much. Right here, we've got the outlet and our pond perfectly placed. Got a little overhang, so it will be shaded part of the day. The water's getting a little dirty in here, but it's still nice. Look at these little, oh, I can't even catch them, they're too quick. I just bought brand new filters for both these tubs. Just gotta hook it all up, but I don't know whether to hook it up yet or just wait till we get to the other place, because I kind of want to transfer the turtles at least to the next place. All right, here at the pet store, going in, we're looking for guppies, and we're also looking for stuff we could put inside the pond. So here we go. There's a lot of super cool tanks that we could do some really cool stuff with. Remember the old days? Oh my gosh, this brings back some memories. Look at these little kits right here. We could do these all-in-one aquarium starter kit. Should we do something like that? Let me know, comment down below. Over to the fish now. The last time I was here, ooh, what's in here? Food. I get so easily distracted. Okay, last time I was here, we did cichlid tank type stuff. Little cichlids, it's like the cichlids that I got scammed on eBay with. I literally bought a bunch of cichlids and that's what came instead of African cichlids. All right, guppies, that's what we're looking for. Guppies, mollies, platies, the good old OG PC days. That's what we're looking for, and there's plenty of them. Some over here, platies over here, mollies down here, platies over here, guppies right here. Let's see what else. Guppies right there. More guppies up there. And they're going for about like $2.49 a piece. So it looks like we're gonna buy a lot. Good thing is they have fish. Before we get to the fish though, let's go look at some substrate, maybe live plants. Maybe we won't do, we'll figure it out. You're on top of live crickets. I just noticed I set the camera on live crickets. I'm not even kidding. I put it right on top of this box and it says live crickets now that I look at it. Okay, so we're most definitely gonna need an aerator. Let's get nothing big, but nothing too small. 20-gallon aerator. This will work perfectly. We do have tubing at home, but just in case, I'm gonna buy some tubing. I don't need that much. I'll use some of this. Black blends in with the bottom of the tank. That way you don't see it. I should have probably got a cart. Let me go get a cart. Holy beta fish. Wait a second. Look at them all. There's so many. Poor little things are in these little cups. You'll get a good home one day, hopefully. I went to my mom's house the other day and fixed up her beta tank, cleaned it out, slowed down the flow, because if you do have a beta fish tank at home, you want to make sure the flow of the filters aren't set all the way up. If you look on the little pump that it comes with, a lot of time they have it all the way on. When you turn the water on, it's like swishing around this little tank, and the beta fish don't like that. So make sure to go in your tank and to put it to like the lowest setting. As long as the water is filtering, these little guys will be happy. They just don't like too much flow. They want to just kind of vibe like a puddle, you know what I'm saying? That one's really pretty. It looks like Luna. R.I.P. Luna. Gosh, that thing lived forever. I don't even know how the heck that thing lived so long. If this video hits 20,000 likes, I will come back and I'll do a beta video. I'll get like a beta tank and set a whole thing up for them. 20,000 likes, smash the like button. Let's see if we can hit it, and if we do, I'll be back. I hope it's just like this when I get back. A lot in stock. We're definitely not gonna need a heater because the water's shallow and there's plenty of sun. Let's see what else I need. How can I forget? A little stone. With that small of a pump, we're probably just gonna want something like this. You wouldn't want to buy something this big because that's like for that type of pump. It has more pressure. So something like this works perfectly. Now, yes, don't get me wrong, I have a filter, but I want to get a better one. I think the one in my garage is old. This one right here is only 30 bucks, and it's an absolute stud. 40 gallons, which is well over the amount of that tub. Maybe it's about 40 gallons. We're gonna get this, it sits perfectly, and we can make something really cool out of it. I am so excited for this. This right here is literally like the old days. All right, filter in the cart. We could do live plants, but like this stuff right here, unfortunately, this is $10. So for 10 bucks, I wouldn't really be able to fill much of the area in the water. Look at all I can get for 20 bucks. I know people that love live plants, I apologize, but guess what? $10, $20. Require a lot of maintenance to keep live plants alive, so we're gonna go fake. A plant like this is gonna be perfect. The guppies, mollies, platies, whatever, you know what I'm saying? The babies will hide and actually stay away from the mom and the dad and all the other fish because those other fish will eat them. They're live berries, meaning they have live baby, not like an egg. So when the babies are born, they're really tiny, and the other fish that are even an inch long will try to chase them and eat them. So this is what they hide in, so we need a lot of bushy stuff. I think this is a must buy. This is like a perfect dense plant right here. I tell you what, I need to get sponsored by a freaking pet store. How much fun would we have in places like this if I was just sponsored? Everything's free? That'd be amazing. Go like blow up PetSmart or Petco's Instagrams or something. Let's do this, Cuffaros. Oh my God. All right, we got a car full of plants and other stuff. If we buy substrate, we probably only need about 2 bags of whatever we buy. Like, you wouldn't want to do all black. Well, maybe that would be cool because they are colorful fish. We're gonna go white. So these are 23 teats. We'll get 2 of them, and that'll fill the bottom of the aquarium up. I think we got it all. We're good to go. Let's check out and then head home, start building. Let's do this. Here we go. Checked out. See you at home. Oh, that's a curb. All right, all the products are now in its tub. Filter, Flex Seal to cover these holes right here. There's one hole right here and one right there. So we got the Flex Tape. We're just gonna put that over that. This is completely waterproof. Aerator, tubing, stone, 1 bag of gravel, 2 bags of gravel, a bunch of aquatic plants. Obviously artificial, that way we don't have to maintain anything out here. Chadwick is here. What's up, Chadwick?
What up, dude?
Hey, buddy. He's came.
We gotta come do another dive video on this because I want to go.
Yeah, we need to go swimming in this thing. The noise, dude. The little noise.
Bass looks like
Look at these things, man.
Anytime now.
Oh, he will.
He's all.
If you have food, done. You ready, Chad?
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Guppy breeding pond. Here we go. We don't have fish yet. We'll be doing that soon. Let me just wipe the lens down. Oh, that's not a guppy. Oh my goodness. Dude, that thing's strong. Wow. Held you up while you were sitting in there.
Yeah, well, it doesn't withstand the bowl over there.
It does not indeed. I'm gonna set the camera right here. Watch when I walk away. He'll see me walk away. Ready? He saw me walk right away. He's like, don't walk away from me. Oh. Just the stick on the side of it. Oh, I'm gonna need scissors. Boom. Not a chance. Woo! Boom. You know what I mean? That is about as watertight as it gets, my friends. While Chad pokes the bag at the bottom, I'm gonna go turn the hose on so that we can rinse our gravel. We're going? We're going. All right. Now the water goes in and comes out the little holes all around it. Oh, 1 bag could have did it. No, I guess 4 better. Oh, 2 bags?
Sandy high five?
Yeah. Why we said sand? It's rocky.
Yeah, but sand comes from broken up rock, so it's sand, rocky.
You're watching science. Bill Nye the Science Guide. Bill Nye. All right, now we got all the plants. Super simple, same as the rock. We're gonna go rinse these off real quick. They're gonna have a lot of babies hiding up in this. A big pile right there in the corner. This side, we'll have a good plant right there. Put rocks right around it. And just like that, I tell you what. Now time to open up the aerator. This is so fun. He's ripping around the ATV over there.
Yeah.
I'll probably just put this right in the middle and not even try hiding it just because. Now in order to keep this up against here, I'm just gonna tape the tube. Just like that. That way it can't move at all. We are about to install the filter. Guys, this is crazy. This is like, brings me back to the old days, you know, we used to do these projects like this all the time. If you're enjoying it, you made it to this point of the video, drop a like. Let me know what you guys want to see next. This is similar to what I was talking about earlier with the beta tank and how the flow is stronger and harder. That's all the way, and that's not. So that's the most powerful it is, that's the least powerful it is, coming out of here and sucking in. I have this on the bottoms because all the debris and everything, you know, poop, waste, all that stuff is going to be on the gravel. That way we suck it up and it comes right out this over here. Like, this is gonna be awesome.
It looks,
a guppy breeding
so
pond.
sick.
Let's fill her up. All right, now I got an idea to keep the net on top and tight and not looking like garbage. This is the main section for our guppies to be breeding and the babies to hide and stay secure and not get eaten. This is like the bushy area, you know, where all the babies are gonna be. Now, of course, we'll swim around here as well. We have the filter over here, which is actually pushing water in a perfect circle, which is then just going right back into the filter, which will keep this nice and clean. We have an aerator here, oxygen. All in all, this project right here is an absolute success, and there's not even fish in it yet. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video, we are gonna put fish in it. Look at how sick that is. If you look closely, it's a good flow, you just can't really exactly see it. The flow is just sick, and it goes in a perfect circle. Now I have some API, you know, the quick start stuff. This is the best. You know, they're sponsors of the channel. We're gonna get some quick start in here. I don't exactly know how much, how big this is. I'm gonna assume though, and you never can go wrong with putting a little bit too much. I'm gonna go with 40. So, 1, 2, 3. Absolutely fantastic. This is probably about a $300 project. Net cost nothing. You can get this for nothing. We cut it to the size, so now we can just put it right back on. Like this, ready? Here we go. Whoop! You already knew what I was gonna do. All right, now let's actually do it, because now we gotta edit this one. All right, here we go. Boom! Just like that. Net is on. Pond is built. Thank you, Chad. I don't know how long it's gonna be until I pick this camera back up. We built the pond, and that's the biggest part. Now, the coolest part, buying fish for the pond. We are back here at the store to get fish for the pond we built about a week ago. A couple of these sunbursts right here, like 2, let's do 3 of those. So we'll do 3 of those, yeah, so 6, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a baby raccoon.
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video.
Don't add me.
I won't add you, but that raccoon is freaking sick. Yeah, I won't film you, but I'll just send the... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Thank you for letting me show that. That's crazy. Wow. Well, that was interesting. A baby raccoon. You don't see that every day. We got the 3 platies, and I'm also doing 3 of these like little fancy tailed guppies. So start off slow, start with 6, and we'll kind of progressively work out from there. I know already these are gonna have a lot of babies eventually. I just gotta kind of get males and females of everything. That's for a whole nother video. We're gonna do like stocking this thing. This was mostly building it, and I just wanted to put some fish in it for now. Get things going, you know? There's the color. On white gravel, gonna be beautiful. All right. We got our fish, 6 total fish. What an epic video today has been. We're about to head home and get these into the pond, but I want to tell you something before we get to this. I'm doing a meet and greet June 12th and the 13th in Orlando, Florida at Aquashella 2021. If you want to get yourself some tickets, get them now. Top link in the description. There's only so many, it's very limited, and it will sell out. All right, now let's go back home and get these fish into the pond. All right, there you go, buddy. Good to go. We're back home and we're done with acclimating already. They've been sitting in there for a little bit now. It's time to release them. But I gotta get the GoPro in the water. All right, the GoPro's in there. Hello, GoPro. Time to get our bag of fish. All the guppies are in. Oh, I'm getting soaked. All the guppies are in. Here are the platies. Got all the platies. Look at the little fishes. We got 3 guppies all schooled up right here. Look at them. It's kind of focusing on the net and not the net, and yeah. And then the platies are hiding up in here and under the filter. Like I said, I didn't get many. It's a brand new pond. I didn't want to get too much just yet. We're gonna actually build a box, like a wood box around it where you don't even see all this. You don't see all this. You just see the top, right? It'll look really nice, similar to that over there. Make it super nice like this, and then put it inside so we don't have to have this net on top. And the algae and the water won't get too hot. This will be inside at the next house eventually, but it's almost like so light that we could just lower the water, keep the fish in it, pick it up, put it in the back of the truck, and drive it to the house. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe down below. Check out the merch, top link in the description. Again, go check out the vlog channel. Episode 1 of the house renovation is live. You don't want to miss that, so go subscribe to that channel because there's going to be a lot more episodes and much more content over there. That link is also in the description down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. V, is he good, bro? V. Oh my gosh. V? Oh my, oh thank God.